Puss caught on camera, nabbed in furniture store robbery. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 45-year-old man has been charged after a multi-billion-dollar robbery at a furniture store in Jacks Hall, St. Anne just a month ago. Charged with shop breaking and larceny is Sutcliffe Davy, otherwise called Puss, of Black Street in Salem, St. Anne, in relation to the incident that occurred on October 27, 2023. Reports from the police are that the complainant security locked his business place and went home. Following morning, he returned to his business establishment and discovered that culprits had gained access to his establishment, ransacked the store and stole a safe containing $8 million in cash, a check valued at US $3,480, check valued at $3,649,879 Jamaican dollars, and 40 assorted cell phones valued at 820,000 Jamaican dollars. The police said that the CCTV footage was viewed and Davy was reportedly seen with another man removing the items. He was charged after he was interviewed by the police. The police stated that they are making arrangements to finalize his court date. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.